Hey guys, welcome back to Pristine Auto Detailing. I hope all is well. We're doing a little bit of shop cleaning today. So I actually ordered one of these Karcher hard surface cleaners. Usually they're used for like concrete, sidewalks, garage floors, decks, that kind of stuff. So we're going to give this one a test, see how well it holds up. We're only doing this little area in the wash bay, so it should work just fine. We're not going to use any chemicals, cleaners, or anything to soak the floor. We're just going to try this out and see how well it works. I used one of these in the past, but it was actually a commercial grade one. So I'm kind of curious to see how well this one works with our pressure washer. Now it does have a max 3,200 PSI. Our pressure washer says 3,600 PSI, but I don't think, as far as PSI goes, we should be fine. I don't think that thing actually throws 3,600 PSI. If it blows Todd across the shop or this thing flies off, we should be all right. Checking out the box, I actually ordered this on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. If this video goes well, maybe you want to order one. If it goes bad, then you probably don't want to click the link below. It says here, hard surface cleaner. It goes into clean hard surfaces like a pro. So, I mean, do you want to be, yeah? Maybe actually if this goes really well, we could add that to our website. We clean sidewalks and decks.
Hey, why not?
Yeah, it wouldn't be actually too bad. And then at the bottom here, it says, I don't even know if I say Karcher right. Is that how you say it? There's these little dots here at the A. Does that mean you're supposed to say it differently? Karcher. I don't know. And then at the bottom here, it actually says the world's #1 pressure washer brand is this. Just ask Matt Mormon at Obsessed Garage if this is the #1 brand. He'll give you a good answer. So anyway, guys, let's get started. Let's try this thing out. We got to sweep up a little bit before we get started to clean up any old dirt or mud. So yeah, let's give this thing a shot. If you like it, click on the link in the description below. We get a couple pennies off this. I think this was around, it's either 49 or 59. I'll put the price up here. So it was that much, however much I posted up there. So we'll see how well it works, but it's a small investment and it should last you really forever, for at least for a long time, as long as you don't run over it or something. But let's get this thing started. Alright guys, so we got this area of the shop all done. It actually worked pretty good, don't you think?
I think so.
Yeah, it worked just as good as the commercial one that I had. A lot of it depends on the pressure washer. It does say on this not to go over 3,200 PSI. Ours is at 3,600 PSI. Yeah. I guess they say that so you don't get lift off.
Maybe, I don't know.
But that makes the job a little bit more enjoyable. Didn't blow apart. It held up fine. We used it to scrub. Now I will say one thing: we didn't use any kind of cleaners or degreasers or acids on the concrete. All that kind of stuff would definitely help if you're prepping to put like an epoxy down or something. When you use like etching, this is definitely the tool to pressure wash your garage. One of the big things I like about it is you don't get all the zebra stripes from just using like the regular 45-degree angle tip. And then like it's winter time here and it's warm in the shop, so you don't get all that moisture and steam and all the moisture in the air from pressure washing inside, since it's all enclosed underneath the canopy of the tool. really works pretty well. As far as longevity, I don't know how long this product will last, honestly. It could last you a year. I imagine it lasts a decent while. There's not too many moving parts in this thing. It's a really good investment if you have a back patio, deck, garage, basement, anything really. So if you want,
basement.
what's that?
I don't know about using it in my basement.
I'll probably use it in my basement only because I made a mess with my coal stove this year. I got coal dust all through my basement. The basement isn't finished, so I might actually use that to clean my basement floor before I put some epoxy down. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a short one today. If you have any questions or anything about this product, I'll put the link in the description below. They should be able to answer any of your questions on that description. But anyway, guys, we're going to get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you later.